Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the EXO SnowBank ski and snowboard carrier for the EXO Hitch system from Yakima. The EXO SnowBank is a winter sports carrier designed specifically for the EXO Hitch system. It attaches to EXO SwingBase or EXO TopShelf quickly using the EXO cleat system. To install the carrier, tighten the knobs located on the arms of the SwingBase or TopShelf until the carriers are securely mounted. From there, take your key to lock the knobs. This will disable them from being loosened, locking the carrier itself to the system. With the SnowBank installed and locked to your EXO system, you also have the option to add locks to the carrier to lock your skis and snowboards in the carrier itself. All that's left to do now is to load up your gear, lock it up if you choose, and get out to hit the slopes. That concludes our video on the EXO SnowBank from Yakima. If you have any questions about the product, please give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.